Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to mine XVG or Verge on any computer, laptop or any Windows operating system. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. While we upload a new video, you should be the first one to get its notification. For mining Verge, you need the miner software in the good hardware components, whether you are mining Verge or any cryptocurrency on your laptop or any gaming PC, or you are using any miner. So in this video, step by step, I will show you how you can mine Verge. Simply, I will open the browser. Once you are here, open up a new tab and type unmineable.com. Unmineable is a tool that you can mine easily different cryptocurrencies, some mineable and some non-mineable coins and tokens using this miner. As you can see, Verge or XVG is available here. So step by step, I will show you how you can mine it. Simply, I will minimize the window, go to the desktop, create a new folder and type it XVG. Once you have created the folder, open up the Windows security, click on the virus and threat protection, click on the manage settings, again scroll down, click on add or remove exclusion, click on add an exclusion, select the folder, go to the desktop, select the XVG folder. As you can see, XVG is now successfully excluded with the Windows security. Now close the Windows security, go to the unmineable.com, click on the download section, right click on this and you can save the link as well. You can download it with any download manager. As you can see, I'm using IDM download manager, so simply I will download it with it. Click on this three dot, select the desktop, select the XVG, click on save and start download. As I've already downloaded, so there is no need to download it again. Simply I will cancel the download and minimize this, go to the miner folder, copy the unmineable and paste it here. Once you have downloaded the unmineable miner successfully, right click and extract here. Now you can see unmineable miner successfully extracted, so double click to open the unmineable miner software. So here is the unmineable, the fastest and easiest way to stop mining your favorite non-mineable and some mineable coins. So click on the continue option. Here you can select your mining hardware. So you can select GPU if your computer is having good graphic card. So in this case, I'm selecting the CPU and click on next option. Here you have to select the coin that you want to mine. Simply type the name. I will type XVG or Verge. Here you have to enter the wallet address of XVG. As I'm using Binance, so you can use Trust Wallet or any other cryptocurrency exchanges that you are currently trading cryptocurrency on. That simply I will go to the Binance. Here, as you can see, once you come to the Binance, click on the wallet and click on the fiat and spot. On the search bar, type XVG. Here click on the deposit option. Here you can see select the network. So XVG is selected. Click on get the address, copy this and paste it here. Once you have pasted the address of the XVG, click on the start to start mining XVG. Right now we are on the mining window. You can see last 24-hour reward, total paid, last payment now, and there is the payouts from 625.1 XVG token. So if you want to bring any changes to the setting of the mining, click on this option. Here you can see you can select your mining intensity. You can bring some changes to here. So if you want to make any changes, click on save and restart. So you can see it's perfectly started mining XVG token and the hash rate is over 600. So it depends also on your hardware components. It depends on your laptop or computer that you are using. Also here you can see it's above 700, so it's perfectly mining XVG token. So here is the stats. If you want to check the stats of your mining, click on this option to open the unmineable.com. Here you can check this auto pay once a day whenever the balance over 625.1 XVG. There is the workers, the payments. You can check your referral code. Here you can check your stats. There is something that share your referral code to earn 0.25% of your referrals mining reward passively. So if you should share your referral code with your friends, with other people on the social platforms, so once they have started mining with your referral code, so you will earn 0.25% of their mining reward. So there is the stats, you can check every hour of your mining stats from here. So there is, you can see payment threshold, current mining fee 1%, and here is the total paid past 30 days reward, past 7 days, past 24 hours, total balance, referral balance, and there is the mining balance. You can check each and every stats of your mining on the unmineable.com. So guys, it's perfectly mining XVG on my laptop that currently I'm using. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section, and thanks for watching. God bless you. I will see you in the next one.